Hi, this is James again from Demark. Today I will show you our 200 watts pulse laser cleaning machine. This one, 200 watts, is very portable and you see, and it's very powerful. And this is our patented laser cleaning head. You see, its design is very scientific and is very airtight, and also its design just been painted and it's been updated version by version. So that today I will use our 200 watts laser cleaning machine to test on the crops, the wooden crops you see below, the wooden crops, the sheep wooden crops, and the plates, the paint on plates, and also the copper. We will just clean the oxide on copper. So you will say it's a very good tool to clean the oxide and paint on the wood. So it's very useful for the house restoration. So I think it will be very helpful. So you can see our testing. So you can see the varnish on the wooden craft is cleaned and no heat effect, no damage to the wood. It's cleaned very smooth. The varnish cleaned away, and you can see the contrast. So this is a ladder wooden craft with varnish, and use the 200 watts. We clean it the varnish, and it's also very smooth. No heat effect. The wood no burned. So this is the beauty of the pulse laser. Now this one is thick paint on wood, so the paint is thicker than the last one, and you can see it took more time, but the power of 200 watts can also just clean it. So take a close look, you can see the difference. Now this one is copper crafts, and you can see there is a lot of carbon on the copper and rust. And after cleaning, you can see the light is very shiny, and the parts is cleaned very shiny, you can see. It's like a new one. And all the rust and oxidization and carbon are cleaned. Now let's see the other half. Yes, Andrew is cleaned. So you can see the copper is cleaned very well. And that's it. If you like it and you want to clean the copper or other material, you can contact us.